megalayapost.news.
Kibor ka PA Sangma International Medical and Hospital PIMC haka school ba joka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya menta ka Sautrek Ulber kila pelong da kajing rakhe ka bakarpang ban ken mau burom ya kalungku snem ke bakandai kajing klatno jong UPA Sangma bamkwai hadwar bulai ubala longteng kum speaker ka Lok Sabha bat menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya. Hakani kajing rakhe ka bakarpang laidon langru dau Profesor GD Sharma Vice Chancellor ka USDM Padma Shri Dr. Sarbeswar Saharia Vice Chancellor ka USDM Profesor Dr. Abhinandan Das, Principal Jongka PIMC, Dr. RK Sharma, Advisor Jongka USDM, Dr. Jogesh Sharma, Director Jongka Medical Education and Research, Ki Dr. Kisamla Puli Nalor Kiwe. Habakaran hakani kasngi, u Profesor GD Sharma, ulapun pawe kajing songu ke bakrau, yakimati baru senyang balabei, dau PA Sangma, nabenta ke ban penurlong. Bat ban pelong an ya ka USDM Act hapo ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly House Name Arjapra kumju halor ka jingyo i jengai ka jong ban penwandur ya kalawe kisamla lengba ka puli puthi UPA Sangma bam kwai hadwar blai ulalong shisha ubal aiman sim sikade na benta ka USDM bat ngis ngodap ram namta ka jingno senyang ka jong na benta bente penyang ya ka school ba hapo ka jela Meghalaya ong Profesor Sharma daka ba ai kublai kat pangru ya ukon rat ke Sangma menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya ubadang beteng banyai kersan ya ka USDM haki babun kiliang.
He was an outstanding leader, not only of the state of Meghalaya, but also he was a leader of national repute. He was an outstanding leader, and he was not only a member of parliament, but he was also the Speaker of Lok Sabha. He was a union minister.
megalayapost.news.